My name is Miles, and this is Make with Miles Maker Mondays. In this series, I'm going to be asking makers 3 different questions. What's your favorite tool? What's the first thing that you made? And what's one piece of advice for young makers? Let's go.
Oh, but that depends on the application. I mean, since I do both woodworking and metalworking, it's really hard. But like a tool that's made of hardened Swedish steel, that would be, yeah, like a chisel or a wrench or something. That's impossible. I remember the first thing I remember destroying, but not making. I don't know. I can't tell. It's impossible. No, sorry. Fail as much as possible. Just get really good at failing, because then you can actually move on and make really good stuff. But you're gonna fail so much. That's just gonna be it. Yeah.